When electronic struts and shocks quit working, most people reject the high cost of a dealership repair. Some get frustrated and eventually sell or trade the vehicle. But what about the second, third, or even fourth owners of these great vehicles? That might be you. Millions have bought a problem and didn't even know it. Well, keep watching this video if you own a vehicle with these expensive electronic shocks or struts. But first, let's take a minute to explain how it works. Electronic struts and shocks rely on a series of sensors and microprocessors in order to work. And in the latest versions, electricity and magnets are used inside of the struts to manipulate the thickness or viscosity of the fluid. Now, when it works, this technology allows the vehicle to make instant adjustments to the softness or firmness of the ride quality based on constant input from sensors. Now, some of the older versions of electronic struts and shocks will simply control the valving or rate of fluid going through the unit itself. Now, all these systems work great when they're new, but in as few as 6 or 7 years and as little as 70 to 80,000 miles, the problems come to light. When they wear out, electronic struts will often lock in the firmest possible setting, leaving your luxury car or SUV riding more like a horse and buggy. Well, these high-tech suspension components go up and down over 1,000,000 times. Fluids leak out. Electronics quit working. They just wear out. And that nice ride quality that you used to have is gone. Well, you can spend a small fortune putting original equipment, shocks, and struts back on the vehicle at your local dealership. That is, if you can even get them. Some are in high demand and short supply. Well, that's where we come in here at Strutmasters.com. We've been dealing with these types of suspension systems since 1999. A great alternative is a suspension conversion kit like the ones perfected by us here at Strutmasters.com. You're basically swapping the electronic struts and shocks for traditional coil springs, struts, and shocks tuned by Strutmasters for your specific vehicle. Our kit just bolts right in, and it works. Most vehicles don't come with electronic suspensions anyway. By the way, beware the copycats because there are many. Strutmasters is the only company that features American-made steel coil springs. Folks, this is an affordable option to fix your vehicle once and fix it right. Check out our great website to see how to fix your vehicle. And if you're still unsure, give our team of suspension experts a call at 866-597-2397 before you buy anything.